Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a simple and easy and delicious and tasty cheesecake, and it's Bailey's cheesecake. Alright, see the bad boy over here. Alright, Bailey's. Okay, I have cream cheese, and you need soft cream cheese, room temperature eggs. I have my vanilla extract. Alright, I also have my cornstarch and sugar, and all the ingredients will be in the description box below. So first I'm going to add my cream cheese, also add in the sugar, and I'm using a paddle. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I thought I was recording, but you didn't miss anything much. I just start creaming the sugar and the cream cheese. Okay, so now guys, we're going to scrape it down. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the cornstarch. Okay, going to start on low speed. Guys, just give the bowl a good scrape. Okay, okay everyone, so now I'm going to crack my eggs one at a time. So make sure to take out my eyes. All right, guys, now is the time you want to add in your vanilla extract. I'm going to add in half cup of Bailey's. Yes everyone, you want to give the bowl another scrape. Guys, you could serve this cheesecake for your wedding anniversary, birthday, parties, any functions. Alright? Guys, let me know if you ever have Bailey's cheesecake. Okay guys, so I'm just going to drizzle in my Bailey's. Okay? This Bailey's cheesecake is delicious, guys. Please try and let me know. All the ingredients will be in the description box. Okay, you could just purchase one of these graham crumbs pan from the store, and I just bake it like for at least 8 minutes. Okay, and at the moment you want to preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to bake it for 1 hour in water bath. So I'm just pouring some hot water in the pan. So I'm going to bake it for 1 hour. Okay, so see you back in the next hour. my people, so this is the cheesecake, 1 hour. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it cool to room temperature, and then I'm going to chill it for at least 4 hours. Okay, so see you back in the next 4 hours. Okay, my people, here is my Bailey's cheesecake. I let it chill for 4 hours. It's best to slice your cheesecake to get a clean cut with a hot knife. You could just dip the knife in hot water, alright, and wipe it off before you slice your cheesecake. So guys, what I'm going to do, you could just tap up, dally up with some whipped cream. You could just drizzle some salted caramel. I will leave the salted caramel recipe in the description box below. This Bailey's cheesecake, it's so yummy. Guys, please try it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Have a blessed day.